Hey, so I'm here for another do-it-yourself project. Yes, same clothes. I just finished doing one project. Same day, hours later, twin sleep. It's time for another project. So, this picture here is a picture that I'm waiting to come in for my bathroom. Ooh. And so I'm going to try to reciprocate that picture in a, not the picture, but the stones. Also, another picture that I already have in the bathroom is this one here, and basically it's the stones stacked with the little flower. So I bought my stones. Okay, normally I get them from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree's out, so I got them from Michael's for $4. I bought these little flowers. I took them off the stems. I got these from Michael's. I think they were like $4.99. This is my leftover bamboo from my last project, and I probably stick that in somewhere. So yeah, that's all I'm using is a glue gun, stones, flowers, and bamboo. I might use some of this here little twine. I might use it because this is part of the theme in my bathroom as well, so I may use it to kind of wrap around something. I'm not sure, but I have it out just in case. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see y'all when I finish. Alright guys, I have 1 minute left on here. Let me show y'all how it looks with it lit. The ambience, it's radiant. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. Let me turn the lights on really quickly so you can see. So this is the one I just did, a do-it-yourself project, and I since then done these as well. Just have 2 rocks, just something simple. I put some of the twine around the candle, added one of the flowers. That one I left plain just to make a statement. And then this one here, I added some twine around it, and also some flowers and some bamboo leaves. So I'm pretty pleased. Like I said, soon and very soon I will be doing a tour of the whole bathroom, to be continued.